In this video, I will show you how to turn off green dot on OkCupid. But here's the thing, there is no green dot option in OkCupid. You can't just toggle it off. But there is incognito mode, and that's what you will need to use if you want more privacy. First, open the OkCupid app and log into your account. Then, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. From there, go to Settings and scroll down to the Privacy section. Now here's the key part. To hide your online status, you will need to enable incognito mode. Just tap on incognito mode and follow the prompts. But heads up, it is not free. You will need a paid subscription to use it. Once it's on, your profile won't show up to the others unless you've liked them, and your online status, the green dot, will be hidden. And that's how you turn off green dot on OkCupid.